Welcome to Ethical Hacking Question and Answer with explanation of answers. Remember, every time pause the video and then answer the question. Check the right answer and then try to read the answer explanation to understand about the question and even about the answers. Question number 1. Identify the UDP port that Network Time Protocol NTP uses as its primary means in communication. A. 113, B. 69, C. 123, D. 161. Pause the video and answer this question. The correct answer is C. 123. Question number 1. Answer explanation. Answer number 1. 113. The Network Time Protocol NTP primarily use UDP port 123 for communication. This port is specifically assigned to NTP traffic, making it the incorrect choice for identifier, the UDP port used by NTP. 169. Answer number 2. 69. UDP port 69 is actually assigned for Trivial File Transfer Protocol TFTP communication, not for Network Time Protocol NTP. Therefore, the choice is incorrect in the context of NTP communication. Answer number 3. 123. UDP port 123 is the correct port for the Network Time Protocol communication. This port is dedicated to NTP traffic and is used as the primary means of communication for time synchronization. So 123 is the correct answer for the scenario. 161. UDP port 161 is actually assigned for a single network management protocol SNMP communication, not for Network Time Protocol. Therefore, this choice is incorrect in the context of NTP communication. So the only correct answer for this scenario is 123. Question number 2. Due to a slowdown of normal network operations, the IT department decided to monitor internet traffic for all of the employees. From a legal standpoint, what would be troublesome to take this kind of measure? A. All of the employees would stop normal work activities. B. IT department would be telling employees who the boss is. C. Not informing the employees that they are going to be monitored could be an invasion of privacy. D. The network could still experience traffic slowdown. Pause the video and answer this question. The correct answer is C. Not informing the employees that they are going to be monitored could be an invasion of privacy. Question number 2. Answer explanation. Answer number 1. All of the employees would stop normal work activity. Monitoring internet traffic without proper justification or notification may lead to a negative impact on employee morale and the productivity. If employees feel that their privacy is being violated by unauthorized monitoring, they may become hesitant to engage in normal work activities, affecting overall efficiency and work output. So this is incorrect answer for this scenario. IT department would be telling employees who the boss is. This choice does not actively address the legal implication of monitoring internet traffic for employees. While the IT department plays a supervisory role, the issue of hand is the potential invasion of privacy and legal concern related to monitoring employee internet activity without consent or notification. So IT department will be telling employee who the boss is the correct answer for this scenario. Not informing the employee that they are going to be monitored could be an invasion of privacy. Failing to inform employee about the monitoring of the internet traffic can raise significant legal concern regarding privacy rights and data protection regulations. Employees have a reasonable expectation of privacy in the communication and the online activities, and the monitoring without the knowledge could be considered an invasion of the privacy right. So this is the correct answer for this scenario. The network could still experiencing traffic slowdown. While network slowdown are a valid concern that may prompt the IT department to investigate internet traffic, the focus of the question is on the legal implications of monitoring without proper notifications. The potential impact on network performance is a technical consideration, but the legal aspect revolves around privacy rights and compliance with data protection law. So this also is a wrong answer for this scenario. The only correct answer is C. Question number 3. Which of the following tools perform comprehensive tests against web servers, including dangerous file and CGIs? A. Nikto. B. John the Ripper. C. DS Sniff. D. Snot. Pause the video and answer this question. Question number 3. Answer explanation. Answer number 1. Nikto. Nikto is a widely used open source web server scanner that performs comprehensive tests against web server, including scanning for dangerous files and CGIs. It helps identify potential security vulnerability in web server configurations and applications, make it an essential tool for web security assessment. So Nikto is the right choice for this scenario. John the Ripper. John the Ripper is a password tracking tool primarily used for testing the strength of password and performing password audit. While it is a valuable tool for password security, it is not designed to perform comprehensive tests against web server or scan for dangerous files and CGIs. So John the Ripper is not the correct choice for this scenario. This sniff is a collection of tools used for networking auditing. This is a collection of tools used for network auditing and penetration testing, focusing on tasks like network sniffing, and password interception. While it is a useful tool for network security assessment, it is not specifically tailored for performing comprehensive tests against web server or scanning for dangerous files and the CGIs. This is a correct answer also. D. Snot. Snot is an open source intrusion detection system IDS that specialized in real-time traffic analysis and packet logging for network security monitoring. While it is effective for detecting and preventing network intrusion, it is not designed to perform comprehensive tests against web server or scan for dangerous file and CGIs. So D also is not a correct answer for this scenario. The only correct answer is NICTO. I thank you so much for your visiting. Hope you enjoyed this question and answer. And I remind you that we have some question and answer which can help you to prepare your test of ethical hacking version 11 and version 12. You can get this question and answer well explained, more question and answer, more explanation for the answers on Udemy. The link on description, you can check the link on description, then you can visit that place and see those question and answer, and they are useful. They will help you to pass your test. Remember to click on subscribe. You can comment this video, you can share this video with your friend, you can like, and also remember the notification to be on so that you can be notified every time we upload new videos. I thank you for your support. Hope you subscribe for a good support. Thank you so much.